Hey guys, Jason here with Bounce Water Inflatable Sails. Hey, I'm actually going to do a quick video on something that'll with Kirk here that'll help us with cleaning. But you know, I don't think I've ever done a video of the 15 Tropical Wave, and this is actually our 15-foot Tropical Wave. And I got to tell you, I don't know that I've ever seen it live. Shame on me. You know, I buy things for my inventory sometimes. I just know how good they're going to be, and I don't, you know, have to blow them up and look at them. But I like this mixture with the wave top and the palm bottom. Looks super good. You know, this building again, almost 18 foot. Take a look at the top of that. Yeah, that's a 15-footer, folks. Interesting enough. So we're out cleaning today in this great Florida weather after the hurricane, trying to get caught up, which is hard to do when there's spotty rain all over the place. So we got the pressure washer out. So, you know, we get ladders out and we try and get up to the tops of these things. As you can see, you know, these palms can get a little dirty after a period of time if we don't pay much mind to them. And then your wave top, right? So you got your wave top up there. The white starts to get a little crusty. So we're trying to come up with ideas, you know, to keep guys off ladders, things like that. And you guys may already see this. It's nothing insane. But Kirk here is going to have our extension to our pressure washer. And what this is, as you can see, many levels here. It's going to give us a lot of juice at the tip, but we can slide that out. Show them how it works, Kirk. So we can slide this unit out. It's got a pivot head, and we can slide this pole out, which I don't know how far is it going to give us exactly, but in each level, as you can see, you know, again, you hook it to your pressure washer, but as you can see, and you know, when you're using it, it does come with a harness, because it does give quite a bit of force for the height that it'll actually go. But man, it saves you from getting on the ladder and things like that. Kirk, show them kind of up top there. And as you can see there, you can start getting towards the top, around the sides. You don't want to get too close to the pressure washer. That's the thing you got to be a little bit fearful of. But as you can see, it works really well. And that'll help you out a lot and save you from doing a lot of climbing. So if you guys like something like that, I bought it at a Home Depot, I think. A little bit pricey, about 150 bucks, but well worth it, guys. So just thought I'd share that with you and share this really cool looking slide with you as well. You guys have a wonderful day.